And breaking news coming in now on FTII. Remember, the FTII drama refuses to die down. FTII students continuing their protest even now against the appointment of Gajendra Chauhan as chairman. A faculty member is also on strike. The students, remember, have threatened to go on a hunger strike now, but Gajendra Chauhan himself refuses to budge. He says there is no reason for him to step down. We spoke to him a short while back.
There seems to be a strike, a hunger strike. One of your colleagues is apparently a member of the faculty, also on hunger strike. What do you have to say? Things seem to be going from bad to worse.
I don't endorse hunger strike at all. Students should sit down with the ministry and chalk out some solution for it.
The other point, of course, the bottom line as far as the students are concerned is your resignation.
My resignation? For what? Why should I resign? It is a prerogative of the government to decide about the appointments, and they have decided on my credentials and my capability.
But this hunger strike, it can go out of hand because you have a member of the faculty threatening to go on hunger strike, your students on a hunger strike. This is supposed to be an internationally recognized institution.
As I've said on the other channels also, I am ready to mediate between students and the ministry, because a lot of complaints are coming that the ministry is not ready to listen to them. I said it, and now again I'm saying it, I'm ready to mediate. I want to bring the students to the Rathod Sahab, to Jaitley Sahab, and let's sit across the table and look out for some solution.
What is the solution?
When we sit across the table, then we'll look out for some solution.
Is there a major meeting with the minister? Is anything coming out of it?
No. I come for my casual visit.
And this meeting of Rahul Gandhi is there. Did it make matters worse or better, or is it the same?
No comments. I can't comment because the news is not up to me that after Mr. Rahul Gandhi has intervened, then this thing. My request to the students is don't get the politicians get into this issue. Sit across the table to the ministry and look out for some solution. Thank you.
Well, Gajendra Chauhan there telling Srinjoy Chaudhary that he will not step down. In fact, he's offering to mediate between these protesting students and the Information and Broadcasting Ministry. But the controversy refuses to die down. Ashish is with us for more on this. Now, Ashish, there's also now a PIL in the Supreme Court requesting normalcy to be brought back into the FTII campus. This even as there are students who are going on a hunger strike in, protest over Gajendra Chauhan's appointment. So where then does the resolution lie?
Well, it seems neither side are ready to budge down, and especially after the INB Ministry's 3-member delegation visited FTII Center in Pune a couple of weeks ago. Since then, the students have been waiting for the government's response. But I just spoke to a couple of student council members of FTII, and they told me that they're extremely disappointed the way government refused to respond, even after INB Ministry's delegation submitting the report to the ministry. Now, this a new legal turn today, this morning, when a Pune-based lawyer, Vineet Dhanda, he the PIL in the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court has refused to intervene in this issue. The students claim that this lawyer was not their representative, and nor the facts and the PIL was submitted in the Supreme Court with their consent. So that is what students claim, that the PIL was nothing to do with them, and it was never filed on their behalf officially. Back to you.
All right, thanks very much for that, Ashish. We will be back with you later in the day for more updates. This is what a student of FTII said to us a short while ago on the ongoing controversy, the ongoing deadlock between the student body and the appointment of Gajendra Chauhan as chairman of FTII.
51 hours back, one of our very dear faculties, Mr. Abhijit Das, decided that enough is enough. What he has seen in the last 88 days is something that he personally, as a faculty, as a dear friend to all of us, and as an individual who believes in this place, who believes in what students of FTII are actually all about, said to himself that this government is so insensitive that it is not willing to talk.